He's going.
How does the jump look?
The jump looks fine to me. He's perfect, so just hit it. But you almost slipped in that pothole. I'm telling you, guys, that pothole is dangerous. Because I just completely almost killed myself. Because I went in that pothole. Because I was trying to do a jump. Then when I did a jump off that, and then I went off this ramp, then I crashed right there. By that wall thing there. So I'm low-key scared now, but I'm not that scared. So we can just quickly see him, and then I'm gonna send it again. Let's see him, let's see him. He did perfectly. That was epic. There he is. Let's look for cars. No, there's no car there. He coming. He coming. Yeah, that's him right there. So now it's my turn to send it as well. So let's do this.
You excited?
Yeah. Let's do it. This brute, look at me.
Yeah.
He's gonna send it.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, bro.
Wait, we need to fix the jump.
We need to fix the jump. Just hold on.
Okay, chop. Woo! We're sending it.
Let's go. Go, bro.
Oh, lekker, nice. Both wheels. Did the chain come off? Okay.
I think the seat is loose.
Yeah, it is loose.
The seat is loose.
Yeah. And brakes.
Come.
Brakes.
We have to get the seat.
There's a problem. Problem.
I just saw the seat is moving.
Stop. Hold. The seat, bro. The seat is wrong. Look, I can just move it like this. Watch. I can move it.
Yeah. No, that needs to be like that when I'm riding.
Yeah, but the
there's
seat is
some.
not good. Seat is not good.
Just hold the back brake.
Back brake. Get a hammer, bro. Get a hammer.
No, it's chop. Okay.
Wait.
Check the
Can I retry?
No.
Guys, the seat was wrong, bro. I
The
almost
seat
fell.
needs to go like that because I'm a jumping it.
Yeah.
In
Yeah, but the seat was wrong, bro. The seat was moving.
Sometimes I lift it up and put it to the side.
Okay, just go.
Guys, you gotta put the jump on the other place.
Should we put it on another place? If you say yes, say yes.
Yes!
So let's quickly, we'll be right back. Because we are just quickly going to move the little thing here
Yeah, it's not
on another place.